Digital File Upload Procedures 5-minute video. Thank you for viewing the new improvements to handling your digital file uploads with this website. Here are some important information to consider prior to uploading files. 1. Please avoid using spaces and symbols as noted in the example provided. 2. Upload only one zip file per patient. Include upper, lower, and optional byte files into one zip file. Uploading upper file and lower file separately of the same patient causes delays and/or project build twice. Here is an example of a set of patient files and the file zipped and ready for upload. Below this video are free software downloads to make zip files. This page displays 5 product selections to upload a digital file. 2 selections are for design only, and 3 are for design and fabrication. Each selection displayed follow a similar set of procedures, and a receipt of each upload will be emailed to you, the lab, as shown in this procedure. Let's begin by selecting Crown and Bridge Design Only and upload 3 different files at one upload. As an example, click Continue. Now we will select the time frame of Crown and Bridge to be designed and the files to be returned. We will choose 6 hours as an example. Click Continue. Select type of CAD software to design. Designed in 3Shape. Click Continue. This page is where the user begins to prepare the files to be uploaded and complete the information regarding each line. Already down here, to preserve some time, some information has been added down here. But let's start at the top and review the entire page. Important, up to 5 different files can be uploaded at one time. Please make sure number of unit design, patient name, and product type are filled out in order to complete each request. As noted here, number of units design, the patient name, and product type. Special instructions are optional. No file will be uploaded without at least the first file selected, and we will go and do the file upload selections in a moment. This information here is the company information upon the user when they filled out the online form initially. This piece of information here were the prior 3 pages with the items selected for design. Type of design, Crown and Bridge design, complete 2-step process. Type of CAD software is 3Shape, and turnaround time is 6 hours. Let's begin the upload of 3 files. And we just click Choose File, and we find the selected files from the lab. The lab folder may be in different places, but you select the files that are necessary for the upload. And as you can see, these are Brett Joe, Francis Joe, and John Doe, and this information was already filled out ahead of time. Keep in mind with combos, these are mixed products. In this case with Brett, the 8 and 9 is full zirconia and 14 is PFM. And you can add additional information as necessary in the special instructions. It's optional. Here we have up to 5 files we can upload, but in this case we're only going to upload 3. Let's begin the upload. We will see a status bar which will tell the status of the files being uploaded, which will at the end redirect to this page here, which shows that the following files have been uploaded successfully. In addition to receiving the redirect page, an email will be sent to you, the lab, to reference as a receipt the files that were being uploaded. It will have a subject line, DADL receipt file upload, Crown and Bridge complete design only for the account number, and 3 files were uploaded. Once again, just like the initial prior page, you have the company information, number of files uploaded are 3, time frame is due is 6 hours, the type of design is Crown and Bridge design, complete two-step process using 3Shape CAD software. This information is the first file, and the information that the lab actually inputted on the initial file. All this is as a receipt and can be kept for future reference. 6 hours later, an email is sent to you, the lab, that looks similar to this information here. DADL completed design files are completed for the account number, and it will have the company information, a little bit of some of the information that was pertaining to the initial upload. It was 3Shape CAD software. Type of design was crown and bridge design and completed two-step process. Status of files below is completed, and they can click on these files and then save it to their click on the downward arrow, save as, and then save the files in the initial folder. Additional information in this email to each file received as being completed will be an invoice number to each file. File 1 has DAWeb 1001. File number 2 is DAWeb 1002. And so forth for file 3, DAWeb 1003. These are tied together to the file that was received, and the name of the patient is included in this information. When the lab is satisfied with each of the 3 files as being completed, they have the option to have the design file fabricated. They simply click the link below the invoice, and immediately it goes to this web page with the necessary information of what needs to be fabricated. In addition to the web page, an email of a receipt of the request to fabricate a file will be sent to you, the lab. This email will contain the following information. Once again, the company information along with the account number. A new case number or invoice will be created because the file is now being fabricated, and all the necessary information that was created from the initial completed design file upload for design only will be implemented in this email as well, and the final file name, which is identical to the file that was received by you, the lab. If you have any questions with the procedures, please contact the phone number provided.